Hello everyone, I hope you guys are having a wonderful day, making some really good trades, and yep, let's just get into it right now. We can see that Bitcoin is back up to 19,283. We can see that yesterday we got a bit of a drop, actually a pretty significant drop in the crypto market and in Bitcoin as well, all the way down to 18,423. Again, we entered our long trade at 18,650 and we just closed it this morning, or I should say this afternoon, around 30% or 37% in profit. So congratulations to all the gold members in the Discord. You guys are making that dough. Now we are forming a little bit of a potential cup and handle pattern right here on the 1 hour time frame, a bullish pattern. So if the price does start to come back down, maybe down to back to 19,000, and you start to cut back up, we have a potential to break 19,500 or 600. Again, that there is going to be a good amount of resistance around that level, so I wouldn't be surprised if we do get rejected and maybe come back down. Maybe we'll form a W pattern on the larger time frames, but who knows? For the time being, looking quite good for Bitcoin. Again, this rally was fueled by the DXY dropping. So let's just take a look at the DXY. We can see that the dollar strength absolutely reversed today. Bearish engulfing candle right here, coming back down, and looks like, you know, a pretty significant top right now. But again, the DXY could easily surge a little bit more to the upside, but for the time being, I do expect the DXY to get a significant pullback. It has had, you know, a pretty significant run up once again, so wouldn't be too surprised if you see the dollar come down a little bit more tomorrow as well. The SPY getting a nice day as well. S&P 500 coming up more than 1.83%. The Nasdaq getting the best rally out of them all, up over 2.5% or 2.14%. So that was very, very nice to see. All right, what is going to be happening? We can see that oil is starting to break down now. We saw oil at $82. So again, I told you guys my target was going to be around $85 to $75 around the midterm election. So again, that's still going to be my target. I know a lot of people were longing around this area, which was not a bad trade, because Kenny in our Discord actually made a little bit of a long trade and made 13%. But ultimately, I do see oil coming back down for the elections. They are flooding the market with their strategic petroleum reserve. They are only supposed to use it in case of like war times or absolute massive shortages, not to fight inflation, but you know, they're using it right now. So they are depleting it, and once that, you know, that reserve is depleted, you are going to see a surge in the oil price. Then you're going to see very high inflation again, but right now it is starting to come down. Now the market really wants to see lower inflation numbers. The CPI on September 13, I believe, is going to be coming out for the US. If the numbers are lower, then the market is going to rally extremely hard. But again, what the CPI numbers are going to be is going to affect the FOMC meeting decision that we are going to have the week after. So around September 23rd, I believe. I think I talked about this in my last video. September 21st, I believe. Yeah, September 21st is going to be the FOMC rate hike. So most of the market is expecting 75 basis points, but you know, they are data reliant. So this a last minute drop in the CPI could, you know, influence the Fed to maybe do 50 basis points instead of 75. Now, we do have the Ethereum merge coming up on the same day as the CPI release date on September 13. Again, I am not very bullish on Ethereum for the merge, but again, you're seeing some nice price action in Ethereum, up over 5% today, and Ethereum Classic following as well. All the other proof of work coins are also pumping as well, if you guys haven't noticed. Again, if Ethereum can break 1718, you have a good chance. Whoop, I just moved my trend line. You have a good chance of coming up here to retest 21,000, or sorry, $2,180. Again, we almost got there. We got around $2,000, and then we start to roll over. Fell about $500 on the Ethereum price, which is a pretty significant drop in Ethereum. And now we're just chopping sideways once again. And you can even speculate that we're potentially forming a bit of a bear flag, but let's see how things play out. Let's see. Don't want to get too ambitious. We can see that we had a big drop in natural gas as well, getting rejected around $9.95. Again, I placed this call out many months ago, well, not many months, but many weeks in advance, saying that we are going to get rejected, and this is where I'm going to be shorting natural gas. So you had 2 days to enter those shorts, and those played out beautifully. Kenny in our Discord holding those KOLD trades still and making some good money. Again, it's a 2x leverage ETF, so he's up over 40% on this one trade. So congratulations to Kenny. We're gonna get you a gold star. All right, and let's take a look at a few other altcoins that I do enjoy looking at. We can see that Atom was getting a huge pump today as well. Let's take a look at Atom. Atom surging towards the upside and breaking this resistance again around $12.33. But again, starting to see some resistance around these previous tops right now. Again, not a bad place to short, but again, the more you retest resistance, the more likely it is going to break. So you're going to see some retest. Eventually it will break, and then you will tag your next resistance, which is going to be around $14.75. Let's take a look at a few other ones before we end the video. Again, pretty tired today, so I'm gonna keep this video short. Actually, let's take a look at gold. We got a little bit of some nice up move in gold today, $17.16. Again, also correlated with the dollar strength coming down. So if the dollar strength goes down, you're gonna see gold move up. Also, you know, around the especially I'm pretty surprised with the DXY levels that we have right now. That, you know, gold should be lower, right? Gold should be down to 1650, maybe even 1500, but it is still actually making a little bit of a higher low right here, which is quite bullish in my opinion. But you know, let people do what they think. Let everyone invest in what you want. None of this is financial advice, of course. Do what you want with your money. Let's take a look. What we're taking a look at, I think we were taking a look at one more coin. I do have a trade in right now. Let's roam the list. Actually, we just closed two more trades. Let's cover the trades that we did close recently. I'll stop sharing the trades that we are in. We actually closed a Binance short. Again, we entered a short position around the $321 levels. We did average in around 329. So again, we just closed our short yesterday on this drop towards the downside around $260. Made over 20%, I believe, on that trade. So congratulations to you guys. If you're following the spot trades in the Discord, you're getting some nice swing trades into the crypto market. And we closed an Aave trade again. This one yielded us a little bit less, but again, it was pretty good return overall. After all, we did short $95. Once it did come back down to 82, we did close our trade. Again, doing so pretty good timing, because we did have a nice surge in Aave as well. Again, we could have made a little bit more on $78, but you know, I feel like there was a little bit more to it. So anyways, taking some profits is never a mistake. Taking losses is a mistake. So congratulations to you guys. Anyways, gonna end the video here, guys. I'm pretty tired. I do have, again, a big interview tomorrow. It's the second interview, so wish me luck. If we get this job, it's going to really benefit the Discord, in my opinion, and the YouTube channel as well. So wish me luck, guys. Love you guys. Talk to you guys later. If you guys want to sign up for the Discord, the link's in the description. You get access to all my trades and all my charts. And if you don't want to join the Discord, that's okay. You guys can sign up for Big Get Trading. Get up to $4,163 in bonus. The link is also in the description. Love you guys. Peace.